Good day, everyone. Today I want us to know the meaning of the word EUREKA and the first person that spoke it and in the situation in which he used it. The name of the person that spoke EUREKA is named Archimedes of Syracuse. He is a Greek physicist, mathematician, and inventor. The situation in which he used that word EUREKA is a situation whereby his king gave a bar of gold to a goldsmith to make a crown for him. The goldsmith, after making the crown, the king was not satisfied because he thought the king might have cheated him by adding silver to the gold. Then he met his friend Archimedes, who thought far and wide and deep to solve the situation, the solution. So one night he wanted to take his bath. He leapt into the water bath. The water he filled in the water bath overflowed. So he jumped out and shouted, "Eureka!" meaning I found it. He ran naked to the king's house and told him. So they brought a basin, he filled it with water, and brought a bar of gold that is the same as the bar of gold that the king gave to the goldsmith. So he put it into the basin. The water overflowed. He marked the amount of water that overflowed. He brought the king's crown, dipped it into the water. It overflowed. He noticed that the water overflowed more. So the goldsmith cheated the king by adding silver, thereby making the crown bigger. That was why the water overflowed more. The crown was now bigger because it needed to be bigger for it to be the same weight. So it was in this situation that Archimedes found his principle, which says that when a body is totally or partially immersed in a fluid, that the volume of the fluid displaced by the body is same as the mass of the body. So Archimedes also played an integral part in mathematics, physics, and a lot of science works. He died in a battle. He was shot dead. He's a scientist and a physicist. We now know him. The meaning of EUREKA is I found it. Thank you.